this shit. That's why I got a dance and hit that. I hit that one, oh God. On my life, I know I hit that one, oh God.
Oh God, the arena went crazy.
Like
hey, they didn't show that on pay-per-view, but the arena went crazy.
Oh God, they was screaming. Everybody,
oh God.
Everybody started singing this shit.
Welcome to another edition of IMO Sports with Pedro Justice. As you see here, this is Errol Spence outside of the club before he went inside the club. Not on October 9th, but on October 5th. You'll see later in this video. Errol Spence was at looks like a strip club on October 5th, celebrating his victory from September 28th when he defeated Shawn Porter to unify as a welterweight champion of the world, IBF and WBC. So as you see, look at the dates. October 5th, Saturday, not October 10th. The reason why I'm showing you this is because there are videos claiming that this footage is from October 9th or 10th in the morning before Errol Spence got in his Ferrari and had an accident. This is not it. Now, as you do see on the screen here now, Errol Spence did get charged with a DWI. And the main reason I'm making this video is just to call out the fact that people are making false videos saying that Errol Spence was at this club, strip club, and then left. He may have been out drinking, but it wasn't at that club. And as we see here in this report, he did get a DWI, but there was no steroids or PEDs found, as some people have claimed. And basically, my channel, we bring you facts. We tell you research, prove me wrong. Errol Spence did put out No Broken Bones, I'm a Savage, after he got released from the hospital, and then they announced the news. Basically, Errol Spence is saying, hey man, I'm here, I'm alive. Do we condone drinking and driving? And absolutely not. No one should drink or drive. We're thankful that Errol Spence is okay, but I just wanted to say Errol Spence is a young man. He made a mistake. He's alive. He'll recover from this, and we're glad that he'll have the rest of his life. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's Pedro Justice.